Hello everyone. Today we are going to share one of our patients' audio feedback. His name is Dinesh Kumar and he's of 70 years old. He's from Lucknow. He was having this tinnitus problem more than 1 year. Because of that, he was having irritation issues, sleep disturbance, noise irritation, and his sound used to come from the middle of the head, because of which his quality of life was totally disturbed. He took our treatment and now he's having 50% relief. Let's hear his audio feedback and his tinnitus journey. Dinesh sir, thank you so much for giving us your audio feedback.
Yes,
Sir, may I know your age?
70.
And you belong to which place, sir?
At the moment, although from Lucknow, but I am presently in Mumbai and have become a localite here.
Okay. Sir, since how long you have this tinnitus problem?
It's about 1.5 year.
And do you have any idea how this problem started?
Uh, yes, it just one day I got a little what you call. I was feeling a little dizzy in the night, and I thought it is vertigo, and took a medicine for that. That became all right, but thereafter I started getting this tinnitus, and then it never went.
Okay. And once you came to know that you have this problem, what were the steps that you took?
Initially, I took the tests, went and to the ENT specialist, took medicines, allopathic medicines. Thereafter, I went and took the Ayurvedic medicines. Then I took the homeopathic medicine. All this I tried for almost about 9 to 10 months. Did not find any improvement.
Okay.
Also did some exercise advised by various people. Nothing moved. And finally, we got into Dr. Spectra's this thing, and took a call to take this instrument and started applying. Initially, it did not make any difference, but slowly, it started giving me some relief. And today, I feel much better, though it has completely not gone as yet. But I feel I've improved almost by about 50% plus.
Okay. So with this problem, what other associated problems you start facing?
Other associated problem, nothing. The only associated problem I had was when it was in the beginning, I found it very difficult to sleep in the night.
Okay.
There were days when I could not sleep the whole night, and used to get sleep only in the morning around 3:30, 4 o'clock or something, and have to get up in the morning. So lack of sleep make you feel lethargy the whole day.
Yeah.
That was the problem. Apart from that, I didn't have anything. Once in a while, I did get slight headache, but that was very minor, not to mention of it. But the only problem, associated problem I got was the lack of sleep. Now I have no problem as far as the sleep is concerned. I get my full night sleep and comfortable sleep.
Okay. And so, as you know, with tinnitus, your quality of life totally gets disturbed. So, like you started the treatment, so how much percent your quality of life has improved?
As I said, you see, quality of life, as far as my routine was concerned, always was following the same routine throughout, whether to going for my game or my watching TV or reading and anything. That was not affected. My worst thing was affected was the sleep, and of course, it gave me little lethargy. Now lethargy is gone. Sleep has gone completely. I have no problem as far as sleeping is concerned, and the background noise which used to be there in the head has reduced considerably, and it has reduced to the extent now. Sometime when I am doing some work or sitting and working, I don't even feel that I have this problem. It is only when it is totally calm and I'm not doing anything, or in the night when I lie down on the bed, that's time I realize, yes, I have this problem.
Okay. So as you started your treatment in this May only this year, so
Yes.
after like how much time you got to know that there is some difference after taking the treatment?
It took almost about 2 months. After about 1.5 to 2 months, I started feeling yes, there is some change in the intensity of the noise which I am getting it. And after that, it has slowly and steadily been reducing. That is number one.
Okay.
Number two is after about 4 months or so, couple of days, in say about 10 days, 2 days, it was completely cured. Means I didn't get any problem whatsoever. But after 2 days, again it appeared.
Okay.
So then it has been intermittently I am getting this problem.
Okay.
And whenever I am have this noise, it is the intensity is much less than what it used to be.
Okay. And so when you started my treatment and currently also you're taking my treatment, did you had any kind of side effects?
No, no.
Okay. As you know, so there are so many patients who are having this problem, but they really don't know where to start with, where to go for this problem. So can you guide them through your journey, like what to be done?
Yes, I have. In fact, there are a couple of people to whom I have advised, and I understand one of them have already contacted you also.
Okay.
I don't know after that whether he is taking the treatment or not, but I did advise them to take reports for two reasons. One is that it is not any medicine which you are taking which could give you a side effect. That is number one.
Okay.
Whether it is allopathic or audiopathic. The second thing is that my own experience, it has not given me any problem. I had initially the apprehension that I may lose the hearing. I may have the hearing problem, but nothing of that sort is there. And I would recommend the people, the earlier they take this kind of a treatment, the better it is for them to recover.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So last thing, can I put this audio feedback on my YouTube channel
Yeah,
to
please
create
do that. No
among-
problem.
to create awareness among people?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.